Hi, welcome to Forex in 4. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started.
Good morning. Today is Thursday, August 26, 2010. This morning we're talking about risk appetite returning to the market. Well, at least for now. I just want to show you real here quick. We're looking at a chart of Aussie USD. It's a 2-hour chart. You can see that the intermediate term trend in this is still down, but yet we're seeing some risk appetite today. As you can see, it's up roughly 0.6% versus dollar here, and same versus yen. Now, global stock markets are higher, rebounding from 7-week lows earlier, and this has encouraged a bit of risk-taking in the market, which is why you see some of these commodity currencies higher. We've got Loonie higher, we've got the Kiwi higher as well. Kiwi's really been beaten up over the last couple of sessions, so you can see why it's got the biggest rebound here going on today. So today is an interesting day. We had U.S. Initial jobless claims come out this morning. They came in at 473,000, which is better than the analyst expectation of 485,000, and better than last week's reading of 504,000. So while one day does not a trend make, it is important to see that at least the numbers aren't getting worse. So the market's viewing this as positive. Just want to show you the pound real quick. All right, the pound's come back, and it looks like it's back over 155, which was near-term support earlier. Okay, it came down with all of the risk aversion we were seeing in the market last week, but now we're just holding over 155. CBI reported sales came in at 35 reading, and the expectation was for 18, so it came in roughly 2 times the expectation. So it shows that the UK economy is still on pretty decent ground there. And also we've got the euro higher. Just take a quick peek there. Okay, it looks like settling in about 126 is near-term support. Ireland had a bond issuance this morning, and it actually went off without a hitch. It was oversubscribed, and they actually paid less interest than they did last time around. So despite S&P's downgrade of 2 days ago, the market sort of shrugged that off and said, hey, you know what, we're still looking at this debt. So that was seen as positive. Also in the Eurozone, they've got loan growth going at the fastest pace in over a year. So it looks like businesses and consumers are getting a little bit more confident and what's happening there. We've got let's take a look here. Dollar Loonie. We've got some CAD strength. We've got oil back up to about 73.50 this morning. So it just shows signs that there's some hope that there's going to be some silver linings here in the global economy. We'll take a look here at USD yen. Now we're still under that 85 level, which was near-term support for this pair prior to. So we've had some yen strength until we get back to 85. I think we're still going to be in the negative zone here. Now they've got tomorrow in Japan, they've got their CPI data coming out, which is expected to show continued deflation. I don't think this number is going to do anything to the markets. We know that they're not moving on rates anytime soon, considering they haven't in over 5-10 years, something like that. So that's what we're looking at today. So today's a classic risk-taking scenario. We've got the commodities, currencies higher. We've got euro higher, pound, and then dollar weakness as well as yen weakness across the board. So this is a classic risk-taking scenario, and you just have to be careful that while the intermediate term trends still look down, you just want to make sure that you don't come bombing into the market and think that all is well. We're not out of the woods yet. We still have some negative economic news out there, and in fact, in the U.S. tomorrow, they're coming out with a slew of data, which could be something that is market negative, but the expectations for most of that data has already been lowered. So as long as it doesn't come in way worse, I think the market's going to be all right. So that's what we're looking at today. Today feels kind of like a slow day. Perhaps people are finally going to realize that summer's about to end and they're looking to enjoy what's left of it. So just keep an eye on this. For short-term trades here, it looks like today might be pretty good for risk-taking, but I'm not certain that I'm ready to call a new trend here yet. So that's what I've got for today. Good trading to all.
As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals. Go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.